Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and clicking the bell icon. You will get notified whenever we publish a new video. Health benefits of pistachios. Heart health pistachios are highly effective and improving your cholesterol levels. This means that they are able to not only increase the good cholesterol HDL but also reduce the amount of bad cholesterol called LDL. This is important because it allows blood to flow more easily around the body, less hampered by deposits of fat. On the top of this, pistachios can also strengthen the nerves that operate the heart, thereby helping it to beat more strongly and effectively. Pistachios also have the advantage of being anti-inflammatory, which is due to the large amount of vitamin A, vitamin E and antioxidants. This is a very important benefit because it can improve your health across the board. Inflammation is responsible for pain caused by arthritis and other conditions, but it can also cause us less obvious problem even in healthy patients. While pistachios are generally considered nuts, they actually have more in common with fruits, and what we think of as the cell is in fact the fruit itself. So it should come as no surprise therefore that there is actually a large amount of nutritional value to be found in the cells as well as the nuts. You will find large amounts of antioxidants in the cell as well as nutrients that can enhance cellular metabolism. Pistachios are high in antioxidants. That means that they can help to prevent some of the visible sign of aging. Antioxidants are substances that compact the action of free radicals molecules that travel around the body and cause damage when they come into contact with the cell walls. While this damage is microscopic and too small to have any visible effect, it can eventually build up to the point where it becomes visible. Pistachios have a high content of copper, which we know can improve the absorption of iron from other food sources. This is important for women in particular who see a monthly decrease in their iron levels. It also important for anyone suffering with anemia. Iron of course has many benefits, helping to encourage healthy and normal blood flow and to carry more oxygen and nutrients to the brain where they are needed. Pistachios contain lutein, which is an important nutrient known to help improve eye health, especially in older age. Specifically, lutein is known as a nutrient that is able to prevent and slow down macular degeneration, and it seems to do this by providing more pigment for the eye, thereby reflecting more of the sun's light back and not allowing it to damage the retina. If you want a way to quickly and easily increase the amount of nutrition in your meals, just sprinkle over some pistachios. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tips.